YouTube? We back, baby, with another video. We're grinding. I got some work to do today. Today, I want to try to get this Hydroboost system mounted on. If I can get this Hydroboost system mounted on, I can stay on track by the end of the week. Because by the end of the week, I'm planning on trying to finish out the whole suspension, Hydroboost, brake lines and all that. So this weekend I'm trying to be putting on the brake lines and all that good stuff. So let me grab some gloves. So that way, when I get to my stopping point, like I was telling y'all, I'm caught up on everything, and I'm really just gonna be waiting on the rear end and the what else? The motor and transmission. Because everything else I'm planning on having locked and loaded. I need to look at that paperwork too on that vent there. Make sure I got those hoses hooked up right. As far as the heater core. I know you got a bigger line and a smaller line. I think I got that right. But yeah. All right, this is right here. This is the kit. You're not even gonna need this right now, so we're gonna put this to the side. But this song is big too, y'all. Y'all see it? Some nice billet hardware that's on here too. The bolts. These some nice billet bolts. This is CPP Hydroboost setup for the G body. It came from Summit. CPP actually makes this setup for the G body. Y'all know for the box Chevy, we got it from man, what's the name of that place? Pros Tuning. So, yeah. Y'all check this out. Y'all check out the CPP setup. I think we cooking with grease. Hold on, man. Let me turn y'all around so the camera can actually follow me where I'm going. Oh, shit. See, this the part where you gotta fucking improvise. Damn. Okay. Now the only problem is I gotta improvise because I gotta stick something in here to hold this up while I go in the car. I think I can catch a boat like that, y'all. Hold on. Yeah, let's look up. Come on up. Come on up. There we go. Think I can catch a boat like this. Look at what I got going on, y'all. When you by yourself, a lot of times you gotta improvise on what the hell you're doing. So I ain't better catch no top boat like that. Let's see. All right. Let's see if I can catch a boat from the inside. If I can catch this boat. And this is a lot easier without the dashboard in. I ain't gonna hold you. Oh, shit, I'm fumbling. Uh-oh. Man, I can't see shit. Okay. That's one. I think I might be able to catch this top. I think I caught the top one a little bit, y'all. We finna have to get the we gotta improvise, boy. I don't even know what size this is or nothing. Let's get the size on this. I'm gonna run the impact off up in this joint. Oh, that's a little too loose there. What size is it? Okay, 9/16. Extension. I need the extension and I need a light. All right. Let's run this light off in here. Let's get in the inside, y'all. Y'all see what I got going on. Hold on. Damn, I dropped it. Damn. Y'all say what's up to the train. Hey, I'm so crazy. I done came off up in here and I ain't even got no socket. Big time trick. Stupid man. I probably should have added some washers to this. Looked like it needed some washers on the other side of it, but I ain't gonna put the impact on it. Where my little ratchet? My little ratchet there. Alright, bring y'all in the inside with me. Alright, y'all see what's going on now. I think y'all can see. I was gonna run the impact down on it, but I don't think I'm gonna do that. Oh yeah, that brought it in. Damn, boy. Putting this in with the dashboard in, it's spanking you. You got a new gearbox, new power steering gearbox. Supposed to be here Wednesday too, so I'm gonna try to get the gearbox mounted. I'm trying to be done with all the suspension as far as in the front by the weekend, honestly. That's the goal. Yeah, I had to improvise on this bad boy. Luckily, I still had that plastic. All right. Oh, this the dash harness and stuff. All that goes to the steering column. And all this goes back across the bottom of the dash. Tell you what I'm finna do. I'm finna pull this need to pull this gas pedal, but I don't want to pull it just yet because I don't want to lose the bolts. Because y'all get in the comment section if y'all know which. Let's come out of this hot zone. Turn the fan on. Yeah, that bitch done fail already. If y'all know the gas pedal for the drive-by-wire setup on the G-body. You know, you need a bracket. You need a bracket for the setup that you're gonna be using or whatnot. I need to cut this. Yeah, all this need to be cut up out of here. Where my cutters at, y'all? Y'all know I can't keep up with that. All right. Now I know for a fact these are wires that's gonna be used. So what I'm gonna do is tuck them off over here like this, so. And I gotta bring some loom from the crib. I need to, where is my god doggone, what a towel that I had? So we can clean off some of this stuff. Let me turn y'all around, man, so y'all can see it. We got the CPP Hydroboost system mounted. It looks good too. Y'all get on the comment section, tell me how y'all think that CPP look. I'm about to get the towel. And shit, what did I do with it? Oh, here you go, right here. Let me try to sit y'all down right here. Just this little bit of mounting this up is progress, y'all. Man, this thing need to be pressure washed, honestly. I like the fact that it still got the caps on it too. So I can't remember on the G body. Do the plugs come to? Well, yeah, you gotta come over here on this side. Yeah. I cut that speedo cable off that I was telling y'all about. Damn. Let me put this. This was a nice prop. It worked. I might need to plug the blower up. Go through here and blow stuff up. Oh shit, blow shit off again. Right there. I don't want no holes open in the wall. I really. Trying to think about what I'm gonna do about this one, cause you know this the gas pedal cable. Once you pull that out, be a hole right there. Might put a rubber grommet in. I might end up using it for something, I don't know. But I don't think so. I don't think I'm gonna need it. Yeah. All right, y'all. Let me find what I need to find. And I'm gonna cut y'all back on in a few minutes. We just got that mounted up, but I'm finna do a little bit more stuff here, a little more cleaning up. We'll cut y'all back on in a second. We back down, baby. We back down. All right, y'all. Let me let y'all see. I probably gonna end up putting some paint. Probably gonna tape this off. Just paint right around the edge of here, up against this firewall. Cause it's a gasket right there, pretty much. But I pulled all this, all this stuff out that was right here. See, I wiped it down and cleaned it up pretty good. Make it seem like it's supposed to be right there, boy. Y'all see, we got the CPP Hydroboost set up. So it came with the fittings and everything already, already installed. It came with mountain hardware. Them other ones that I ordered. The other one that I ordered with the box Chevy, it didn't come with no hardware for the top, for the bolts or whatever. This come with mountain hardware and everything. Y'all just mount right up and hook it up to your brake pedal. So yeah, we got that out the way. Figure out what's the next order of business. Where the keys? Well, I need a screwdriver because I got to go in the trunk. Because I got to find this proportioning valve so I can put it on the frame and try to do the brake lines this week too. Oh Lord, I forgot there was so much stuff in there. Look like the whole door panels and everything. Where could she be? Man, I need a proportioning valve, fam. It's supposed to be in this trunk. I have no idea what this is. Lights, wheel trim, door panel. Probably gonna have to order a new one. Oh yeah, I just put the pin in also on this what's the thing called right there. This is what holds your piece to the proportional valve, to the master cylinder. It's a rod, so I had to put a pin in it. I made sure I went on ahead and put that in there now. But I don't see no proportioning valve found. We'll have to clean this steering wheel and stuff. Oh, boy. Woo. All right. Let me cut y'all back on. All right, y'all, my bad. But damn, I ain't got the proportion valve, so I can't even put them brake lines on. Dang. I gotta get a proportion valve now, guys. Yeah. Well, now it's time to shut it down. This video wasn't that long, but hey, we got some progress. Most definitely got some progress. How do you open this? these handles on it. So. Okay, 10 fingernail out here. I gotta figure out how you open it. You gotta be, you pull these handles. Oh, you pull the handle out. That's pretty difficult. You'll tear your finger up messing with this. Man, I told you, boy. Yeah. I don't think I'm gonna be playing with this, taking this on and off. I know I'm gonna experiment with some shit. You leave that alone. When I take that off, I'm leaving it off until it's ready to go back on for good. I have to bleed these lines. Alright guys, we'll be down to the next step. Suspension. Supposed to be picking that up Wednesday. Maybe Monday. Probably gonna drop this video till Wednesday. So by the time I drop this, I should have the suspension. I don't know. But oh man, I need to go ahead and pull these calipers. Let's pull these calipers out too, y'all. And go and put them in the car. Cause I went to the shop that's gonna do the calipers earlier today. We're gonna be getting these color match, same burgundy that's on this car. We're gonna get these color match. So it's good that they ain't on the car that ain't full of, you know what I'm saying, juice right now. Front ones. Now I'm gonna open the box for the two barrels. Show y'all the rear. The rear gonna be the 4 piston. Got 6 pistons in the front. Got the 4 piston coming with the rear end. Y'all can see. Got the 6 piston wheel wood. I mean the 4 piston wheel wood for the rear end. And got the 6 piston set up for the front. So I gotta go get the paint code and all this tomorrow, so I can drop them off. Ooh, it's hot out this bitch today, y'all. Ooh, it's hot. Let me turn my mic back on. Y'all probably caught all that action with that fan back there. Ooh, shit. It's hot as shit. When I say it's hot as shit, it's hot as shit. Drop these. Oh. Got them 4 calipers. Whew. All right, y'all. Shit, I think I'm done with whatever I gotta do. I can't do nothing else right now until I get the this week, well Wednesday, the whatchamacallit supposed to be here, the gearbox and a couple more other things. Shit, hopefully I get the gearbox and the suspension, all that shit. So I can mount the gearbox. I ain't worried about putting the steering column back in until I do some little chit chat wiring in the inside. But I'm gonna put the gearbox on and start doing the suspension. I gotta go get some bolts for these upper control on. For the ones that's on here, damn, my keys to my truck. Damn, I gotta take these keys back to the store. Fuck. It's hot, y'all. Man down. Woo! I ain't even been in here that long. God damn it. I ain't even been in here that long and hot than the sun gone. All right, y'all. Time to shut it down. Probably finna go to the house and meet with the Malibu for a minute, so y'all might catch that on the next video. If I can get the Malibu all the way tuned tonight on this remote tune, we're gonna pull it out. We're gonna get some little driving footage. I'm gonna change that seat in there. Try to get some little driving footage and get it right. I'm finna go to the dumpster, throw this trash away out the back of my truck. Go pick up these supplies, then go to the crib. It's motherfucking hot. So, woo! Y'all like, share, comment, subscribe. Make sure y'all tune in, fam. I made this quick. It's too hot today. But hey, getting traction. I'm gonna holler back in a minute. All right?